Hi, my name is Gabby and I'm an assistant pastry sous chef at the Walt Disney World Resort. What inspired me to pursue a culinary career was the attention to detail, and it was the drive that I've seen every chef before me to do the best for the guests that come. I did do a lot of baking at home. I first started doing it when I picked up a at-home cookbook that was just mainly focused on cheesecakes, and through trial and error, burns, and everything in between, I found that it was my jive, and I decided to pursue it from there. I definitely feel supported by my leaders. It never feels like my next goal is out of reach. It's definitely like a second family. And what sets Disney Culinary apart from any other kitchen is the integrity that we have, knowing that our ingredients are fresh, knowing that our kitchens are clean, and that our cast members are taking the correct procedures to do the job correctly. We definitely know that the guests are coming back time and time again for what we're creating. We're making probably in the thousands every day of pastries. People come here for a sense of familiarity and comfort and adventure. And so just knowing that we're just a small part in a big role definitely makes us feel like we're continuing the magic, even if it is backstage. Starting my day-to-day, every day actually starts at the ripe hour of 3 o'clock in the morning. I open up the bakery for the day, starting the ovens, making sure the team is set up for success for the rest of the day. The most fulfilling part of my job is definitely at the end of the breakfast bake for the day, knowing that the guests are going to come here to start their day, whether it be at a park, whether it be just a chill day at the resorts. They're going to have to start their breakfast some way, somehow, and if we could offer it to the guests, we love being that big part of their day.